Right, good morning everyone. Now I've got this polystyrene ring and I'm covering it with this gold ribbon. It's like a greeny gold, and I'm going to decorate this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm going for the wild look, I think. And all I'm doing is I've got it on the roll, keeping it short-ish. Let me just do this because I've already, that's it, and I'm overlapping it by half, but every now and again you need to just put a bit of glue on it. So pull that tight, wrap that over, every now and again pop a bit of glue on, and it just helps keep the wreath tidy. One small will do, and that's my whole reel covered. So what I'm going to do with that is seal that off, and then I'm going to glue the end of the ribbon. And do that, and that's completely covered, and that looks neat enough, doesn't it? So I really didn't need, I wasn't sure how much I'd need. That can go back on the stand. Now I'm going to need a top and a bottom section, of course. I've got some of this gorgeous chenille trim, which I'm going to use as the hanger. And no more than that, I don't think. Yeah, we'll do that. So I'm going to obviously use this section as the top. Like that, and that can hang just like that. Now the only other thing I've got is this gorgeous, I love this lace and I do want to put it on. It's just beautiful. So I think what I'm going to do is straighten this up first of all, add a touch between there like that, and then I'm just going to go around the outer edge like that. See, but I don't know how much I'm going to need, so I'm going to have to keep feeding this through, and we'll see how we get on. I don't want too much, but every now and again it's going to need to be glued down. Just want to make sure I've got enough off the reel. Actually, I think what I'll do is to glue each one down. that, and then we're back to the beginning. So just turn that over. I'm going to cut that. It doesn't matter about this side. There we go. So that's that done. Yeah, I'm happy with that. See? Just makes it look pretty. And then, let's have a look. What have we got? What can we do? I've got some of this, which is my silk ribbon. I absolutely love it. I really do. And what I've got to do is to make a bow. So I'm just going to fold that in half like that. Oops. I don't want too big a one. That'll do. And it's rough. It's not smooth and pretty, and well, it's pretty, but it's kind of like a rough looking bow. You have to pull that tight and then pull that in, and that. See, like that kind of bow, like that. And you've got to glue it really quickly. So that's the top, this is the bottom, that's going to go on there like that. And then what we do is we just cut the V into there, and we, oops, keep on there, mate, and do the same, roughly that long, isn't it? That's it. It's just a nice shabby bow. We've got a little bit of trim here, and I think, yeah, there we are, we had one of those. A nice flower. Yeah, that's it. I don't want to do this trim. Let me just think. I'm not sure. Maybe not. No. But I just wanted to use them in a project. So I think what we'll do, there's the centre. So we're just going to put one there, like that. And we'll do, let's have a look, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, yeah, like that. I'm not going to do, wait a minute, I might do the others here and here, I'm not sure. I need to get the wild, the beaded trim. Now remember, this is expensive beaded trim, and I can't do it any cheaper than what I've done it on the shop. So, you know, I bought quite a bit in because I knew people liked it, but it is expensive. So I'm going to do, I think that'll do. And it's that beaded trim. I mean, I myself, I buy it in and use it personally, but there's no way do I use it like loads. I can't, it's too expensive. So, right, I just take this, make sure those beads are sealed, fold that in, take this one, it's cut right by there, fold that in, and then I'm gonna, let me get some more glue. Of course I need glue. just lift that bow up and very carefully situate this under the bow like that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Yeah. So again, I've got these flowers that are just gorgeous. I love them. And yeah, those are the ones I'm going to use. So you just cut them off, pop a little bit of glue. Oh, see how that's fallen apart? Because I cut it too close. But it's not a problem, because we're just going to glue that back together. So that goes on there, and then we're going to do that on there as well. Beautiful. Love that. Right, so I need to be careful of this. So I'll take that off. I'm gonna snip it and hopefully fix that on there now, like that. Just pull it off, snip the end off. I got it caught on my hand, that's why. So we're just going to do that. Yeah, I like that. I mean, something as simple as that, but I've not finished with it. So I think what I'm going to do, I am going to continue and put these on around the edge, because I just think it needs them. So we're going to have one there. Try and level it out between that one and that one. And these are sold in sets of 6. That one there. And that one, I need another one, don't I, after this? That one there. Get one more. Good job I bought plenty in. One there. Love it. Yes. And we're just going to do the same thing with the others. Oh. I'll do it that way. Saves me burning my fingers. But we're going to do this now. We do have these in stock in lots of colours. I need to pull these out. Let me just get a load out. So what I need to do is to do that, pull them out of the socket sort of thing, and then we just glue that a little bit, and really quickly we do that. Okay, and then I'm just going to glue the stem, and we add the stem like that. I think that will be alright like that. Okay, I think we've got them in. Oops, that's come out. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, I think they're all done. And I'm not going to leave it like that, because here's what I'm going to do. I think that looks really pretty. Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy with that. But am I, you ask? Because I've just thought of something. I'm going to take that off. Take out my little pack of pearls. And change it. Yes. Now it's what I like. And there you go. Really easy. Very pretty. Shabby chic wreath. And that looks awesome. So I hope you like that. Tap all the bits off that fell out. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.